From FNNO.com, this is the Financial News Network. I'm Chuck Pierce. Here's a few things to watch for in the financial world today, July 25th. Sprint reported its quarterly numbers this morning. The third largest U.S. wireless carrier posted a second quarter loss of 46 cents a share, wider than what analysts were expecting of 41 cents. However, the company's revenue rose 6.4% to $8.84 billion, higher than the expectation of $8.73 billion. Investors so far are ignoring the profit loss because of it's mostly due to Sprint phasing out its old Nextel network. The higher revenue caused by higher customer bills has caused the stock to rise over 14% in the pre-market session. Dow Chemical seeing lower than expected earnings for the third quarter. The company posted an EPS of 55 cents, lower than the 64-cent analyst estimate. Revenue for the quarter was down to $14.5 billion, also below the estimate of $15.6 billion. Dow says this is mostly due to the price of plastic declining in the quarter, as well as headwinds in Europe and slowing growth in Asia. Its stock is down over 3% in pre-market trading. And ExxonMobil out with great earnings news this morning. The world's largest publicly traded oil company posted an EPS of $3.41, a 49% gain from the same time last year. Revenue rose 1.5% year over year to $127.36 billion. Both profit and revenue beat analyst expectations. The gain is a surprise to many investors who thought the slower U.S. economic growth would hurt major oil companies. Investors are not putting their money in Exxon despite the stellar earnings. Shares of the company are trading slightly lower, down just 0.1% in pre-market trading. Those were a few things to watch out for here on the Financial News Network. For more coverage and analysis of the business world, follow us on Twitter at FNN Online or check out our website at FNNO.com.